Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock markets, early action, as well as to help you understand which way are the markets headed and what should be the strategy that you as investors and traders must adopt. Now, to help us with all of this and some of the stock-specific recommendations as well, I'm joined by somebody very special today. Chandan Taparia joins in. He's the technical and derivatives expert from Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Good morning, Chandan, and great to have you with us on Markets Today. Well, the markets have yet again opened in the red, 0.5% down for the benchmarks today. We are seeing bits and pieces of the sectors also in the red and the green, trading largely in the red in today's trading session, barring the IT and the PSU banks. Here and there, some ticks coming in. What are you making of the kind of opening we've seen? 3 days of gains. Yesterday again was a down action, and again today we've opened in the red.
Good morning, Sakshi. Thanks for having me. Yes, yesterday market opened negative but managed to hold the support and recovered, but then again fell to surpass 16,250 zone. Today index opened negative in line with the weak global cues. So yesterday it has negated its formation of higher lows, and now the pressure is visible at higher levels. However, the good part is that banking stocks are slightly supportive and Bank Nifty is outperforming, but the concern is that call writers are active and again the pressure started to seen. So I think we are in a range where multiple support are visible near to 16,000 or 15,888, but at the same time hurdles are there at 16,250 zone. So I think we have to be in this broader trading range where stock space action will be more beneficial. But looking at the global cues, the sentiment and setup is slightly negative. So I think some bounce may happen, but that bounce could be restricted. So as of now, one can play the range of 16,000 to 16,250 in the Nifty index.
Okay. And on the Nifty Bank, what would you recommend? Since you said that the Nifty Bank is outperforming, is it a better strategy to trade the Nifty Bank instead of Nifty today?
Exactly. The Bank Nifty has measured support now near to 35,000 and now trading near to 35,250, 35,300 zone. So buy on decline can be utilized here with support of 35,000, and we can see a bounce to us 35,555 to 35,750. So comparatively more strength and stability in there than the Bank Nifty. So buy on decline can be utilized with support of 35,000 in the banking index.
Right. Also wanted to understand in terms of sectors, Chandan, is there any other specific sector that gives you more confidence right now? We have started with the earnings season yet again. While the IT stocks have started, IT companies have started to report their earnings. We are seeing that the IT stocks have been an underperformer in the last few months as well. Any particular sector that gives you the confidence that should be on the radar in this earnings season for all the investors?
Yes, so I'll be looking at two sectors mainly, which are auto and FMCG, and most of these sectors are doing well. So first, if I talk about the Nifty auto segment, this is continuously moving upwards even after the market volatility. This stock continuously making a high top, higher bottom, and trading at multiple years or even lifetime high zone. So auto has potential to outperform and generate the alpha even in this market scenario. So any small decline could be utilized for buy on decline strategy in Nifty auto. We have positive on the counter like TVS Motor, M&M. So first talking about TVS Motor, stock is now flat, but buy on decline can be utilized with support of 835. Here we are expecting a move towards 888 kind of level. Tata Motors is other name where some decline was bought here. So can buy near to 430 with support of 418 for target of 450. So TVS Motor and Tata Motors are two names where one can go long in Nifty auto space. While in FMCG also, we believe some selective pocket could do well.
Okay.
Like one can look at the counter like ITC or counter like HUL, where some buying interest could be there. So we have positive on the auto, FMCG, and selective cement name. You talked about IT, but we are not much comfortable in that. Most of the IT stocks are under pressure. Nifty IT is continuously making lower top, lower bottom. So here we'll avoid and even can utilize for call writing activity with the view that upside is kept in the Nifty IT index.
Okay, but one view to all those investors who have invested in big IT bellwether stocks like TCS. Now, earnings have been clear disappointment. The stock also reacted on the downside. What would you really recommend to all those investors who have TCS in their investment basket?
Yeah, so like those who have investment in TCS can continue to be with the same. However, we understand that pain is there because YTD basis, this stock is down by around 16%. But you cannot sell at this level because decline towards 3,000 or 2,950 provide the good margin of safety and again buying opportunity. So those who are holding can continue to be with the same. Or if you can add more quantity, use the decline towards 2950 to 3000 to buy on dip, kind of again averaging to such kind of heavyweight counter. So need to utilize the distance, but those who are looking for trading, we'll suggest to avoid, because upside is also kept on short-term point of.
Understood that. Now, when we come to specific stock recommendations, since you said that it's a better idea in this kind of a current market, which is very, very range bound and may turn out to be very volatile, one should be with stock specific. So which stocks would you recommend today to all the traders?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, that positive on selective cement name, selective consumption name. So first I'll talk about India Cement, if the cement name is concerned. So India Cement can go with long side, support of 170. Upside is 180 level. We have positive on Bata India. This stock has potential to do well in the month of July. Historically, if I look at the data of last 10 to 12 years, so one can buy with support of 1790 for upside move towards 1880 to 1900 levels. So India Cement, Bata India, and apart from that, other name like Dr. Reddy, one can look at. This stock is giving a consolidation breakout, can buy with support of 4350 for upside move towards 4800 level. So such kind of stocks can be utilized in this market.
Okay, understood that. Well, thank you so much, Chandan, for being with us and sharing at the outset what exactly should investors expect in today's trading session. What are the better opportunities for investors in terms of specific sectors and stocks as well? Thanks a lot and hope you have a great trading day ahead.